Number 1.
1994 GMC 1500, price $10,000, well-maintained classic pickup powered by a 5.7L engine with approximately 4,000 miles since it was installed. It comes in a short bed, wide body, regular cab configuration, offering a strong and timeless truck look.
The truck is completely free of rust, which is becoming increasingly rare for vehicles of this age. The transmission was rebuilt around 4 years ago and continues to perform smoothly.
The interior has been redone and is clean and comfortable, showing that the truck has been properly cared for. It also sits on good tires, making it reliable for daily driving or weekend use.
Overall, this GMC 1500 is a solid and dependable truck with many major components already updated. Number 2.
1982 Datsun 720, price $9,000. This truck is equipped with a reliable diesel engine and is well known for its impressive fuel economy, achieving approximately 35 miles per gallon. It remains a solid and practical classic truck, especially for daily use or light work. Considering its age, the condition is fair, with only a small amount of rust visible on one of the doors. The vehicle comes with several extra parts that add value, including a front lip, a brake booster, and parts needed for a power steering conversion. Overall, the truck runs well and has good potential, though it would benefit from a set of better tires to enhance ride quality and handling. This Datsun 720 would make a great option for someone looking for a fuel-efficient vintage pickup with room for improvement.
Number 3.
1991 Chevrolet K10, price $6,000, classic short bed pickup equipped with 4-wheel drive and powered by a 350 cubic inch engine mated to an automatic transmission.
The truck runs and drives well, showing solid performance for its age, and remains dependable both on and off the road.
With 194,100 miles on the odometer, it has been driven but still maintains good overall condition. The interior is in good shape, reflecting proper care and use over the years, making it comfortable for daily driving or weekend use. This K10 offers a strong combination of power, utility, and classic Chevrolet truck character, making it a great option for enthusiasts or anyone looking for a capable full-size 4x4 pickup.
Number 4.
1995 Chevrolet Silverado, price $8,000, heavily modified performance truck with a gasoline engine and automatic transmission, finished in black with a gray interior. It features a 6.0 LLS swap using a stock crank, Gen 4 rods, and Summit Pro LS pistons. The engine includes ported and polished 706 heads with TSP valves and springs, a CH trunnion upgrade, Johnson IS7 lifters, MLS head gaskets, RP head bolts, a TSP timing set, a high-volume oil pump, and king bearings throughout. Air and fuel are supplied by a Phytech sheet metal intake, 92mm throttle body, fuel rails, and 80 pounds injectors, with a complete Howerton performance wiring harness replacing all factory wiring. Power is delivered through a self-built TH400 transmission with billet pump gears, Alto Red Eagle clutches, Vasco 300M steels, upgraded internals, and a modified valve body. The rear end features an Eaton TrueTrack differential with 4.11 gears, and braking is handled by a Motion Raceworks manual brake kit.
Number 5.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,500, solid two-wheel drive truck that originally came with a 5-speed manual transmission but has since been converted to an automatic. It is powered by a Gen 3 LS 4.8L V8 engine paired with a 4L80 automatic transmission. The truck is lowered yet remains fully drivable with no issues. It is equipped with an ACES jackpot exhaust system and has been self-tuned by the owner. While it runs and drives, the tune is not perfect, and a professional tune is recommended for optimal performance. A significant amount of work has been done to this truck, and it remains very solid overall, including the frame. There is some rust present on the passenger side cab corner and just above the tailpipe, but no other major rust issues. The tires and brakes are in great condition, and the windows have been tinted to 35%.
Number 6.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $5,200, featuring an automatic transmission and running on gasoline, with a gray exterior and matching gray interior. The truck starts, runs, drives, and stops, although the braking performance could use improvement. It does not idle perfectly, but it remains drivable. The engine is believed to be a 350 V8, and the truck feels fairly solid overall for its age. The paint job presents well from a distance, but closer inspection shows that it is far from perfect and has visible flaws. This C10 is not a show-quality truck, but rather a driver that can be enjoyed as is or improved over time. Considering its condition, it is likely one of the most affordable running and driving C10s currently available, making it a good option for someone looking for a classic truck at an accessible price point.
Number 7.
1994 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,000, solid full-size pickup powered by a 350 V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission and 2WD drivetrain. The truck has only 70,000 original miles, making it a low-mileage example for its year. It features a white exterior with a gray interior and has been well maintained with many recent updates, including new tires, brakes, battery, alternator, brake lines, thermostat, heater core, blower motor, and trailer hitch. A toolbox with keys is included, and a full coolant flush has also been completed. Overall, the truck is in good condition and runs strong, with the only noted issues being a worn passenger side cab corner and a non-functioning air conditioning system. It comes with a clean title in hand and is described as a dependable and sturdy truck.
Number 8.
1992 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a 350 TBI gasoline engine paired with an automatic 4L80E transmission. The truck has approximately 235,000 miles on the odometer, while the transmission has only about 25,000 miles since a complete rebuild, providing added reliability and peace of mind. It is equipped with an 8-lug rear axle with 3.73 gearing, making it well suited for both daily driving and light hauling duties. Finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck maintains a classic and rugged appearance. Since being purchased in early 2022, it has served as a dependable local daily driver and has benefited from extensive mechanical maintenance throughout the current ownership.
Number 9.
1995 Ford F-150, price $2,600, with an automatic transmission, white exterior, and tan interior, showing approximately 130,000 miles. It is powered by a 5.8L engine and has been used as a daily driver for the past 2.5 years. The truck runs and drives but does need some work. It has a solid maintenance history and has been well cared for since early 2022. Known issues include an oil leak, ignition problems, a windshield that needs resealing, and rough acceleration, possibly due to a vacuum leak. Recent maintenance includes a brand new battery, new fan clutch, new fuel and air filters, newer spark plugs, wires, distributor cap and rotor, newer lights, a newer starter, newer core support and bushings, and tires with less than 10,000 miles.
Number 10.
1985 Jeep J10, price $8,000. This truck has 95,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with a manual transmission. It features a white exterior paired with a brown interior and runs on gasoline. The manual transmission was rebuilt approximately 20,000 miles ago, and the truck currently runs and drives perfectly. It has a newly installed exhaust system, and the body is solid overall, with only some minor rust present on the door jambs, floorboards, a small spot on the hood, a little rust in the bed, and some on the back of the cab. The underbody remains in near factory mint condition.
Power comes from the legendary and extremely durable 258 AMC inline-6 engine, well known for its reliability and longevity.